Hello everyone, this is CJ Transport and Trips and More here. Welcome back to another video. This video will be an advanced look at my GoPro Hero 7 Silver, which is this lovely thing here. Today we're going to have a look at what you can do with it and maybe test it on a couple of accessories that I've got. So let's do this. We're going to turn on the GoPro and I'm going to show you some features. So here's the camera lighting itself up. And those are just the beeps, 94% charge. Now if we can take a look here, that is turning on slow-mo. So you can take some really nice slow motion videos. The next thing here is this, which can basically, what does this do? 15 seconds clip. So it takes 15 seconds to start. 4K mode, which is high quality. And it can only store less. Then you've got the zoom function there. Then you can slide across and go to photo. And you can take pictures. I can take over 1,000 photos here. Video, time lapse. So you can take time lapses, and of course you can do it in 4K and with zoom. So that's pretty cool. Now we're going to look at the settings on here. Sorry if you can't see the screen well. I'm trying to do this with my left hand. So you've got voice control, camera beeps, on or off. This. Quick tape. No, not quick tape. Quick capture. Power up and start recording just by pressing the shutter button. Oh, it's starting to record. GoPro, stop recording. That's one feature. The voice control. We're gonna have a look. So we go down to preferences. Right, connections. So as wireless connections on, connect to GoPro app. I've already done that. Yep. Already. Come on. Something's wrong with my touchscreen. Defaults. What have we got at defaults? Mode, video, clip length, 15 seconds. Resolution. Resolution's basically the quality. So you can go 1000. So that's 4K. Oh, okay, resolution. Yeah. So that looks like 4K. The immersive footage and edited height, okay. I'm looking at new things here. General. Beat volume high. Auto power off, never. LEDs, all on time. 10, 12 a.m.'s the exact time, so that's all good. Date is 1st of November, so around about a month till Christmas. Or a month till my Advent series exactly. Right. Back to preferences, general, voice control, touch screen, regional, about, reset. We're going to look at voice control to have a look at some of the commands. English, Australia. Now, commands. Some of the commands are GoPro capture, GoPro stop capture. I'm going to not say them because otherwise the GoPro would be able to hear me. And then it would start record. Okay. GoPro Hero light, take a photo, shoot burst. Start time lapse, stop time lapse, video mode, photo mode, time lapse mode, burst mode, and a turn off. Okay, so that's plenty of commands. Let's just get a look at them. There we go. Now we are going to use the GoPro itself. So that's another advanced look. Now, GoPro turn off. There we go. So that's all good. There's here's the box of accessories that we've got. We have got, of course, the handler. I've already tested it on the handler. We're going to test it on the wrist mount. Maybe in the super suit again. I'm going to test it in the sleeve and lanyard, which is this. And then maybe I'll see how the head strap goes. Oh, here's the adapter for the SD card that it takes. Oh, I forgot to show you. So, we've got buttons here. Now, that's the on button, so it's on the other side. If you just do this, I wonder if I can do this with one hand. It'd be amazing if I do. Yep. Of course I can. You can see here, if we can slide this open, there's the charging port on the left of your screen. And then to the right is where the SD card is inserted. And that one's supposed to be the best that it can take, with about 128 gigs of data, which is pretty impressive actually. Right, enough of me using this phone. We're going to use the GoPro now, and I'm going to once again use it in my bathroom because of that brilliant IXL vent air exhaust fan that I've got. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm using my GoPro by just holding it. Just holding the camera itself without the handler. We're going to turn on the light and then the IXL vent air exhaust fan. Now, it might be a little bit different as I am using this on 4K. Right, we're going to go up and let's take a look. Dust is disturbing as you can hear. Oh, sorry if that made a little bit of noise when I had to tap the camera. It can turn itself off by itself, unfortunately. See if I can be clear. There, hope you can see the blade. Now we're going to turn it off. I'm going to go straight back to the blade. This is 4K. Ah, stopped. Hope I got some footage, at least. Now, we're going to give an addition. We are going to use the accessories. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, I'm back, and this is with the super suit inside. We're going to see how it goes. So back on goes the IXL vent air. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm just going to do it very, very quickly. Turning it off. This is on lower quality, so it's not on 4K for this one. It's because when I have the super suit, if I do have it on 4K, it will have these weird black lines around it. So this is why I have to keep it like this. So there we go. Okay, I'm using my wrist mount, and voila, 2 hands for the first time ever you've seen. I'm using 2 hands. So let's turn this on. I wonder how it works with me using my wrist. Won't be able to see it properly through there. I'm going to do something fun later on. Whoa. Okay. Gonna turn off the light. Okay. I'm going out to the bathroom, into the bedroom. Oh, what this was for. And to my wardrobe, which has a preheat circuline fluorescent light, which is right here. Sorry if my hand's in the way. That was
epic. Can you believe it? That was epic turning on. This was amazing. This was really good. This was really amazing. Wow. Okay. There you go. GoPro, stop recording. Well, do you think there could be just a little bit of silliness? Yeah. This is what I'm about to do right now. I am going to put it under my tap. And I'm gonna put water. Now luckily it's in the super seat. Okay, let us begin. Okay, we go. Well done. Oh my goodness gracious. GoPro, stop recording.